Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to select HTTPS only modes, enable HTTPS only mode in all windows in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have been pinned in my taskbar. So go to this and I have pinned it my new tab where here the three bar menu click I am. So here the settings we will click. We will go to the privacy and security where we can get these things. So click in below side we will go to the HTTP mode. So here the HTTP mode, a secure encrypted connection between Firefox and websites you visit. Most websites support HTTPS, and if HTTP only mode is enabled, then Firefox will upgrade all connections to HTTPS. So first we will select this. See, enable HTTPS only mode in all windows. That means here the enhanced security. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.